All the glass which you see outside the building is twin pane glass, which allows only the light to come in but not the heat, significantly hence reducing air conditioning and lighting costs. The lighting systems used inside the building have the activity monitors. So if they do not sense human activity for more than 15 minutes, the lights would automatically switch off. Also, we have software which specifically monitors the lux levels inside the rooms, which is essentially to say that if you have overclouded skies, the lights inside the ODCs and the lights inside the workplaces would automatically brighten up. And if you have a brightly lit sky, they would dim, hence saving electricity.
People realize that are surrounding you.
Leave alone corporate responsibility, even the sheer economics of this whole enterprise is very attractive. You spend 15% or 20% more on your capex, create a building like this, but look at us today, we're actually saving almost 40 to 45% of power costs. And power cost in any building is the largest chunk of expenditure. The operating expenditure on a building, that's power. And we are saving 45 to 48% power month on month, year on year. So we have, in effect, recovered our costs very easily. And today, if you look at the cost of running this building, yes, it is far, far lesser than any other building of this size anywhere in the country.
Of other buildings that we go, or the thermographic images of other buildings that we go. So we start, Ruchira. Good afternoon, bad Yagi. The good building is again the ITC Green building in Gurgaon. So if just the new buildings, new commercial buildings bring in energy efficiency norms, you could save roughly about 1.7 billion kilowatt hours. And if that happens, then you can wipe out the entire energy deficit which we have, the peak deficit as well as the base load deficit. At the same time, we said that there's about roughly 50,000 megawatt of electricity required to electrify the non-electrified. You will have enough electricity to also service people who are not consumers as yet.
So what are the buildings basically? Are they?
There's a community center, mostly non-air conditioned, but they have to.
Which we have.
Same which we have in retreat, but since it was a strict urban setting, so
green buildings are designed to be, thermally more comfortable, visually more, sort of comfortable. So it has also been internationally proven that green buildings increase the productivity of people. Offices which are designed green, they have higher productivity. Of course, you cannot really, convert it in numerical terms, but general feeling that there is an overall feel good factor both from the environmental perspective as well as the people who work in it. So it's a win-win for everybody.